I am back with the leather case and sandpaper and leather balm, and we are going to finish this case off to add our perfect patina to the whole case. Some things has changed since we last talked. I switched from the Pro to the Pro Max, so this case will not be used by me, so I will just patinate and we'll see what happens with it. Maybe we'll arrange a giveaway. So I will be rocking this umber for the 14 Pro Max for a while and see if it actually does naturally patina, which it won't. So let's get started. You've seen me do this process so many times, so I will just speed it up for you and provide some beats along the way. So I've sanded off the coating of the completely off the whole case. So now we'll just go over the whole case again with 600 sandpaper. I used 400 grit before, and this is to just smooth everything out before we apply the leather balm. There we go, all the coating is removed and it's ready to receive the leather balm. Anyway, let's get the leather balm on here. This is my favorite part. That's the case done. I've finished the patina on this case, and as you can see it looks really good. And on this right side it's a bit darker on this area here. That is because I've applied stuff and sandpaper and leather balm to that part like 5 times. If you've seen my previous video where I did some experimentation, you know why. But this left side is what you'd expect for if you do this on a new case. So I think it turned out really well. I hope you can see in the lighting that it's not just reflecting. Here is the original umber color. You can see the difference. And I would expect this original, like if you just left it like this and used it, you would get patina on the edges just as we've seen on the iPhone 12 and 13 series leather cases. So it will get this dark just along the edges and it will look horrible. So this method I've done here will make the whole case looks weathered and patinaed, and it's awesome in my opinion. So if you would like to see me make a giveaway video of this case, drop a comment below mentioning that you're interested, and if enough people are interested I will make a giveaway video so someone can win this case. I think it turned out so good, and it as I said, it will just even out more and more the more you use it. And also hit me up on Instagram if you would like to buy a cheap small kit to make this yourself. It will be enough leather balm and sandpaper to last for at least one case. It will be 400 and 600 grit sandpaper and just this exact brand of leather balm. That's all you need to make this happen. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.